Did you know that words get meaning not alone, but by how they combine and what they can replace? In linguistics, Ferdinand de Saussure explained meaning using two types of relationships, syntagmatic and paradigmatic. Syntagmatic relations are about combination. They show how words are arranged together in a sentence. Words stand side by side. For example, the cat sleeps. The cat sleeps. Each word follows a fixed order. Changing the order breaks meaning. Syntagmatic equals horizontal relationship. Paradigmatic relations are about choice. They show which words can replace each other in the same position. Words stand in groups of alternatives. For example, the blank sleeps. Cat, dog, baby. Only one word is chosen, but many are possible. Paradigmatic equals vertical relationship. Simple memory trick. Syntagmatic equals sentence, sequence. Paradigmatic equals substitution, choice. So, meaning comes from how words combine and what they could have been instead. Comment one paradigmatic word for cat below.